Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app updates to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we're tackling something super simple yet essential: how to change your profile picture on Life360 in 2025. Life360 is that awesome app for staying connected with family and friends, and updating your profile pic is a quick way to personalize it. Whether you're refreshing your look for the new year or just want to show off a new vibe, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Life360 installed on your phone. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon, usually in the top left or right corner, to access your profile settings. It's that little circle with your current picture or initials. Next, select your profile by tapping on it. This will bring up your profile page. Look for the profile picture itself. It might have an edit button or a pencil icon nearby. Go ahead and tap that. Now, you'll see options to either take a new photo using your camera or upload one from your gallery. Choose whichever works best for you, maybe that fun selfie from your last adventure. After selecting your photo, you might get a chance to crop or edit it. Use the tools provided to zoom, rotate, or adjust as needed to make it perfect. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit the Save or Confirm button. Life360 will process it quickly, and voila, your new profile picture is live. One quick tip: make sure the photo follows Life360's guidelines, like being appropriate and clear, to avoid any issues. Also, if you're on a shared family plan, this change will be visible to your circle, so keep it positive. There you have it, folks. Changing your profile picture on Life360 in 2025 is straightforward and takes less than a minute. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected and see you in the next video.